A doctor's network faked DNA cancer tests on thousands of people, $522 million. And when the FBI came knocking, this man tried to sneak into Mexico with someone else's ID. Meet Reyad Salahaldeen, 57, of Buford, Georgia. On paper, a healthcare entrepreneur. He controlled 4 labs spread across New Jersey, Georgia, and Texas, operating under names like Express and BioConfirm. From 2018 to August 2020, his network paid marketers to swab people at telemarketing calls, door-to-door visits, and health fairs, promising free genetic tests that could predict cancer risk and bad drug reactions. Here's the trick. The marketers, working for kickbacks, collected the samples and insurance information. Then, at Salahalddeen's direction, they got fraudulent lab requisition forms signed by doctors who had never even met the patients. The tests were never medically necessary. Nobody asked for them, nobody needed the results, and nobody used them for treatment. But Medicare, Medicaid, and private insurers didn't know that. They just saw a signed form and paid out. To hide the bribes, Salahalddeen and his co-conspirator Mohammed Mustafa drew up fake contracts and invoices, dressing up the kickbacks as legitimate marketing services. On paper, it looked clean. Underneath, it was pure fraud. Total fraudulent claims submitted, over $500 million. Actual payouts collected from Medicare, Medicaid, and insurers, roughly $84 million. This wasn't a small operation. 11 other co-conspirators, including 3 physicians, were already sentenced before Salahalddeen even went to trial. The moment the indictment dropped, Salahalddeen ran. Not overseas, not into hiding somewhere quiet. He drove from North Carolina to Texas, heading straight for the Mexican border, carrying identification that wasn't his. Border agents stopped him trying to cross, presenting someone else's ID to get through. He never made it out of the country. He barely made it to the fence. He pleaded guilty to conspiracy to commit healthcare fraud and wire fraud.